Preparing for the NEET exam requires a thorough understanding of key biology concepts. Here are some important questions to aid your preparation. Which organelle is responsible for cellular respiration? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Mitochondria. D. Lysosomes. Answer. C. Mitochondria. What is the primary function of stomata in plant leaves? A. Photosynthesis. B. Transpiration. C. Gas exchange. D. Water absorption. Answer. C. Gas exchange. Which of the following is not a characteristic of prokaryotic cells? A. Lack of membrane-bound organelles. B. Presence of a nucleus. C. Presence of ribosomes. D. Circular DNA. Answer. B. Presence of a nucleus. What type of tissue is responsible for transporting water and nutrients in vascular plants? A. Epidermal tissue. B. Ground tissue. C. Vascular tissue. D. Meristematic tissue. Answer. C. Vascular tissue. Which hormone is responsible for the regulation of blood sugar levels in humans? A. Insulin. B. Glucagon. C. Estrogen. D. Testosterone. Answer. A. Insulin. 1. The enzyme which cleaves proteins is A. Protease. B. Nase. C. Lipase. D. DNase. Answer. A. Protease 2. Which protein helps in DNA binding? A. Helicase. B. Histone. C. Lipase. D. Cellulase. Answer. B. Histone 3. DNA fragments separated on an agarose gel can be visualized after staining with A. Ethidium bromide. B. Bromophenol blue. C. Acetocarmine. D. Aniline blue. Answer. A. Ethidium bromide 4. A gene whose expression helps to identify transformed cells is known as A. Plasmid. B. Selectable marker. C. Structural gene. D. Vector. Answer. B. Selectable marker 5. The genetically modified brinjal in India has been developed for A. Drought resistance. B. Enhancing mineral content. C. Enhancing shelf life. D. Insect resistance. Answer. D. Insect resistance 6. Which of the following restriction enzymes produce blunt ends? A. Hin3B, CoIC, EcoRVD, SAL-I. Answer. C. EcoRV7. The process of RNA interference has been used in the development of plants resistant to A. Insects. B. Nematodes. C. Fungi. D. Viruses. Answer. B. Nematodes 8. In Bt cotton, the Bt toxin present in plant tissue as protoxin is converted into active toxin due to A. Acidic pH of the insect gut. B. Alkaline pH of the insect gut. C. Presence of conversion factors in insect gut. D. Action of gut microorganisms. Answer. B. Alkaline pH of the insect gut. 9. Endotoxins obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis are effective against A. Nematodes. B. Flies. C. Mosquitoes. D. Bollworms. Answer. D. Bollworms 10. A transgenic food crop which may help in solving the problem of night blindness in developing countries is A. Golden rice. B. Flavor sour tomatoes. C. Bt soybean. D. Starlink maize. Answer. A. Golden rice.